Okay, standing out in the street looking both ways down. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too much. This is just about 26 hours. We had just a little bit of snow from the other weekend, and now it is, well, take a look. Can you see a car under there? Everything is just piling up. I've seen 2 4-wheel drives. Nobody has stopped by yet, any type of trucks to try to clear the roads or anything. And you can just see some of the buildings around, how deep it's getting. Again, cars on the other side of the road, buried up over their wheels. Not quite like the car that I showed just a minute or so ago, that is almost totally buried. But this is a 360 from standing out in the street. And I think it looks like we have one worker coming. Not sure what he's going to be working on, but let's finish up again with the buried car.